Halo, welcome to Learn Indonesian with Maria. In this channel, I will share you how to learn Indonesian in easy way. Today, we will learn the differentiation between cuma versus cumi. Cuma means only. For example, saya cuma ingin bicara dengan kamu. I only want to talk to you. And cumi means squid. For example, saya melihat cumi raksasa di TV kemarin. I saw a giant squid on TV yesterday. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please hit the button like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye, sampai jumpa.